All right, ladies and gentlemen. Quick trade breakdown last week. So basically, last week we only trade two pairs, which is NZD USD. All right. So all we need to do is just um, breaking it down why we take this pair and what are the analysis. All right. So okay. So what we saw last week. Weekly time frame for me it is bearish because this is the higher low, this is the higher high, and we break this candle in the last previous week, which is right here is bearish. So per my strategy, I know in the fact that if last weekly candle is um, right here, last previous candle is bearish, I know in the fact that this is the last previous candle, right? So I know in the fact that this current weekly candle wick will fill that wick but unable to fill that wick, right? So I was looking out right here, right? I was expecting that again. Let let the this week right here. Hopefully, it will reach to our area of interest and possibly to go down and then have a weekly wick candle right there, and at the same time, um, EMA very strong right here. EMA rejecting EMA. At the same time, right here will be the last previous structure point, rejecting previous structure point, and then I went to daily, right? Daily. So for daily time frame, I know it is bearish. Lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low, and this one right here is um, potential lower high, right? Potential lower high. Then I see some rejection of previous structure point, daily candlestick rejection, um, possibly touching EMA for daily as well. This one right here is the bearish engulfing area of interest rejection. We have the bearish trend markets, right? So I went to 4 hour, which is my golden time frame. All right, so this is Monday. So on Monday, I was waiting for 4 hour to be broken, and at the same time retesting to potential lower high, and then on the lower high of 4 hour time frame, what I'm gonna wait for is in the lower time frame of 15-30 minutes or an hour. What I'm gonna look for is break and retest with engulfing candlestick right here. All right, so once if I see that opportunity, I will enter the trade. Stop loss right here. If there is accumulation is candle will be accumulate like that, and then if there is a break, retest engulfing, I will put my stop loss above right here. The reason why I'm putting stop loss above right there, because we already know that the trend is bearish, 4 hour break, and then the retest. All right, this one right here, this is aggressive entry. Oh, no, this is not aggressive entry. I'm gonna show you. I did a mistake. I break my trading plan this week, and then You see, the reason why I say I break, because the 4 hour got break. I went to aggressive right here because looking for lower time frame, right? So we got a break. We have a little pullback on 50 minutes, and then this is 22:15, which is around 10 to 11 pre-London session. I break my plan. It won't happen again, especially if I am trading a challenge account or a live account, because I know for sure in the fact that the RR will be not ideal one. Okay, the reason why I said RR is not ideal, because you see, you enter and then the RR will be 21:15, right? Looking at 4 hour time frame, you are buying at the middle, right? So supposedly, once again, if the 4 hour break, waiting for lower high, and then look for SOS charge, break of structure, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and an hour, whichever is very very clean. Okay, so I did big a mistake on this. Not gonna happen again. So there you go, right there. All right, so this is my trading strategy. Okay, so we break right here. We break a 4 hour, waiting for correction, waiting for retracement, waiting for pullback. At the same time, retesting the 4 hour EMA. 4 hour EMA, then retesting the 4 hour as well, area of interest. So what I'm looking on this trade, which is the shift of structure. So right here, so we got a break, right? We got a break here, break. If this one is London session, I would really enter this trade, but nah, it didn't let me in on that. So what I see, guys, right here, so I was so very very extra careful with this, because right here, right? So we have a pullback, higher high, higher low, boom, got break. We have a little bit retest at 11:30, with is a little bit engulfing, right? I could really enter with this trade right there, because I know in the fact that we are at 4 hour lower high. So this is what I mess on during that time, because supposedly I got a break right here, right? But it's not on session right now. So higher high, higher low, higher high. We have a shift of structure at 15 minutes, and then this is a higher low. We got a break, then engulfing right here. So supposedly at 10:30, stop loss will be here, right there. We have 3 to 16. Once again, during that time I was sleeping because I was prepping to go to work. So I caught a trade right here at 12 p London session. Ideally, I will stop loss will be here, but I give a little bit breathing trade, just in case if this one will be swept by liquidity or stop loss hunt, then I let the trade play out. So right now, for me, as long as they give me 2RR, I'm okay with it, because I know in the pack on Tuesday, Friday, we'll have an NFP. Alright, so here, so this one right here, we have shift of structure, right? Supposedly you will got out right here. Once again, this is a trade breakdown for NZD USD.